Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. Today we are going to see solutions of exercise 5.2 for lesson 5 data handling. For this we need to study one of the formula, that is the central angle for a component. Here we are going to study about the pie chart. So pie chart means the chart, the graph in a circle, it is called as the pie chart. Now for a circle we know the total angle is 360 degree. So for different component, if we want to find the different degrees or the angles, then how to find it? So the central angle of a component equal to value of the component upon total value multiplied by 360 degree. Or if the value of the component is given in the percentage form, then central angle for that component will be given as percentage value of the component upon 100 into 360. So these are the two formulas that you have to you should remember, and we can solve with this help exercise 5.2. Okay, so let us start with 5.2, and also I am sharing a link in the iLink suggested a video of this lesson, introduction video of this lesson. Now let us start with question 1 here. A survey has been made to find the type of music that a certain group of people liked in the city, and this adjoining pie chart is given here. You can see the light music, the group of people like they are 40%, folk music is 30%, classical music 10% people like it, and semi-classical music 20% people like it. Now we have to answer this question from this pie chart. If 20 people like classical music, how many people, young people are surveyed? Now they are asking the classical music. It is given in percentage, so you have to convert it into number. So from the pie chart, classical is 10%. So that means 10% means what? Out of 100 it is 10. So they are asking 20 people are liking the classical music. So how many percentage? So that how much is the number? So that is 100 into 20 upon 100, cross multiply this one. So that gives you 200. So 200 people were surveyed. Okay. Then which type of music is liked by maximum number of people? So maximum percentage is 40, and that is for the light music. So light music 40% is the answer. Then the third question is, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? So they want to make total 1000 CDs of all these forms together. So each type, how much CD they will make? Now classical is 10%. So 10% means 10 upon 100 and multiply by 1000 CDs. Cancel the zeros and get the answer as 100 CDs. So for classical they will make 100 CDs. Semi-classical is 20%. So 20% means 20 upon 100 multiplied by 1000 CDs. It gives 200 CDs. 40% for light music. So that is 40 upon 100 into 1000 is 400 CDs. And folk is 30%. So 30 upon 100 into 1000 is 300 CDs. So this is the way to solve question number 1. Question 2, it is given that a group of people, 360 people, they were asked to vote their favorite season, different between rainy season, winter season and summer season. So this is the data they got it. For summer they got 90 votes, for rainy they got 120 votes, and for winter they got 150 votes. Now here they are asking question, which season got the most votes? So from here you can see that winter got the most votes. So the answer is winter. Now find the central angle of each sector. Each sector means for each summer, rainy and winter you want to find the central angle if this data is to be represented on a pie chart. So the formula that I have written above is central angle equal to value of component upon total value multiplied by 360. Now for summer we want to find, so value of the component was, you can see here for summer value of the component is 90. So take 90 upon total value is 360. It is given in the question 360, and the measure of the circle is 360 degrees. So 360 get cancelled here. So this get cancelled. 360. Answer is 90. Okay. So what is the central angle? So central angle is 90 degree. Then here also Rainy is 120 upon total is 360 multiplied by circle measure is 360. So it is 120 degrees, and for winter it will be 150 degrees. Now you have to show it on a pie chart. So draw a circle first. Draw a circle and draw any radius first, and then keep the protector at the center. Mark 90 degree with the protector. That will be your summer. Then move the protector in this way. Keep the protector this way. Okay. Then you will get 120 on this side. So mark 120 here. So that will be your Rainy. Keep the protector this way and mark 150 here. So mark 150 here. That will be your winter. Then the remaining one is the Rainy. That is 120. So this way you can draw your pie chart. First you have to draw any radius. Then go on marking the angle according to the given observation that we found it. Now here also we have to draw a pie chart. The information given here is the color liked by number of people. Blue color is liked by 18 people. Green color is liked by 9 people. Red is liked by 6 people. Yellow is liked by 3 people. So total number of people are 36. It has been given in the chart. Now if you want to find the central angle for each of the color. So the formula is central angle equal to value of component upon total value of component multiplied by 360. So now for blue color is 18 upon total is 36 multiplied by 360. So 36 ones are 36 tens are 18 into 10 is 180 degrees. Since we are finding the central angle, so we should put here degree. Similarly, for green it was 9. So 36 tens are, it is 90 degree for green. Then 60 degree for red and 30 degree for yellow. Now we have to draw the pie chart. Okay. So how we will draw the pie chart here? Now we got first 90 degree. Draw first that angle which is easy to draw. First we will draw 90 degree. If suppose this is the midpoint of the circle, from there draw a line. Okay. And with the protector mark this 90 degree. So that will be your green. Okay. Then 180 degree is blue. So 180 degree is blue here. So this whole side will be blue. So this will be your blue. This is not perfect 180. So this is blue, 180 degrees. Okay. Green was 90. The remaining are red and yellow. This green was 90 degrees. Now red and yellow is 60 and 30. So I will make an angle of 60 here. So that is the angle of 60. This one, that is red, is 60 degrees. You have to draw it with protector. And this one is yellow. Y is 30 degree. Yellow is Y, that is 30 degree. So this way you have to draw the graph, pie chart. Fourth question is, now here in the pie chart given at the adjacent, a student in Hindi, English, Maths, Social and Science, its marks have been given here. Marks in the form of a degree has been given here, and total marks obtained by the students were 540. Now, in which subject did he score 105 marks? Now, here they are given the degree, they are not given the marks here. Now, you have to find the in which how many marks that particular subject is he had scored. Okay, the first question they have asked is, they have given the marks, so that represent which subject, 105 marks. So what we will do, we will write the formula central angle equal to value of component upon total value multiply by 360. Value of the component has been given as 105. Total value, the total number of total score of the subjects all together is 540 multiply by 360. On doing cancellation, you get 70 per degree. So 70 degree, you can see here in pie chart, 70 degree is representing Hindi subject. So you have to write the statement that in Hindi the student scored 105 marks. Okay. The second question is, how many more marks were obtained by the student in Maths than in Hindi? So you have to calculate marks for the Maths and also for the Hindi. Okay. So we don't know the marks for the Maths, that let be X. We know the central angle through the pie chart for Maths was 90. So 90 equal to X upon total marks were 540 multiplied by 360. Find the value of X. So all these values will go move this side. So 90 into 540 divided by 360. On cancelling you will get as, so let us cancel. 90 ones are 90 fours are, so this is 4 ones are 4 ones are 4, 1 4, 4 threes are 12, okay, 2 0, 4 fives are 20. So this is 135. 135 marks is scored in Maths. Similarly, you have to find for Hindi. So Hindi is 70% here. Okay, so 70%. So let us do cancellation here. 9 fours are 36. First this 0 0 will cancel. Then 9 fours are 36. 9 6 are 54. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 35s are. So 35 into 3 is 35 multiplied by 3 is 105 marks. Okay. So how many more he scored in Maths? So Maths minus Hindi is 135 minus 105 is 30 marks. Did he score more in Maths? Third question is, how many more marks, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and Maths is more than in social science and Hindi. Social science and Maths together and science and Hindi together. So then we have to see which group of subject here he has scored more. So for that you need to find the marks in social. Again the same thing that we did it earlier. So it is 65 in the pie chart. So 65 degrees equal to X upon 540 into 360. So on cancelling you will get it as 2 by 3 here. So this will be 2 and this will be 3 and no more cancellation. So 65 into 3 upon 2. So you get it as 3 5s are 15. 195 by 2 and 195 by 2 gives you 97.5 marks. Okay, that is for social science. Maths we did it earlier. Science 40 degrees and y upon 540 into 360. So y will be equal to, this is 2s are, this is 3s are and 2 1s are, 2 20s are. 20 into 3 is 16. Is is it 40? Sorry. For science it is 80. I made a mistake here. For science it is 80 here. So this is 80. So for on cancellation we will have here 40. So this will be 40 into 3 will be 120 degrees, 120 marks. This will be 120 marks. And Hindi we know, we have found it earlier as 105 marks. So social plus maths will give you 232.5 marks and science plus Hindi will give 225 marks. So which is greater? This group is greater. So you have to write yes, the sum of the marks obtained in social and maths is more than the sum of science and Hindi. Now the fifth question is, the number of students in a hostel speaking different languages have been given: Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali. So total number of students are 72. Number of students speaking Hindi are 40, speaking English are 12, Marathi as 9, Tamil as 7, Bengali as 4. So total number of students is 72. Now we want to find display the data in the pie chart. They are asking to display the data in the pie chart, so we need to find the central angle of each of the subject or each of the language. So for Hindi language, central angle will be value of a component upon total value into 360. So value of component is 40 here for Hindi upon 72 the total value into 360. So on cancelling, this will be here 72 1s are 72 5s are 45s are 200. 200 is the central angle for Hindi. Similarly, English is 12 here. So 12 upon 72 into 360. 72 1s are 72 5s are 12 5s are 60 degrees. Is the central angle for English. Then for maths, it is 9 upon 72 into 360. This is 5s, 9 5s is 45 degrees. Then for Tamil, 7 upon 72 into 360. 72 1s, 72 5s, 7 5s, 35 is the central angle for Tamil. And Bengali, 4 upon 72 into 360. 4 5s, 20 degrees is the central angle for Bengali. Okay. Now we need to draw the here the pie chart. Okay. So now first one we will draw for the greater angle, which is Hindi here. So this is Hindi. So for Hindi I can draw it like this. So this one, and this, if I make the straight angle, then it will be 180. So slightly here I will draw, because I cannot draw here up to the scale. So this will be your Hindi. Then 20 degrees for Bengali. So this is 20 degrees for Bengali. Then 35 for Tamil. So this may be 35 for Tamil. Then 45 for Marathi. 45 for Marathi. Let me draw it properly. 45 for Marathi. This I need to draw it. And If you will draw it with the scale, it will be a proper one. Now here it is not possible in this app to draw all the things properly according to the scale. So this is the rough figure I have drawn it. So here Hindi is 200 degrees. Then this is English is 60 degrees. This was Bengali 20 degrees. Then this was Tamil. This was 35 degrees. And then Marathi, this is 45 degrees. So first you draw a radius, any radius, then with the protractor, keep the protractor here and mark 180, and after move the protractor on the other side and mark 20 degree again. So that will be your Hindi. So this will be your Hindi. Then accordingly keep the protractor here and mark 60 degrees. Again keep the protractor on this line, then mark 45 degrees. Again on this line, then mark 35 degrees, and then this line, and you will get this 20 degrees again. Okay. So this is how you have to do the pie chart. So that's all for now. If you have any query, you can comment me in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math, and press the bell button to get the notifications.